And as you can see here, guys, this website has paid out over $69 million. And I'm going to show you exactly how you can get a piece of the pie. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make money with AI art. And you can make money online with this strategy using a completely free tool that I'm going to show you how to use in this video. I'm going to take you through step by step everything that you need to know. So make sure you watch this video all the way to the end. And this is a brand new strategy to my YouTube channel. You are going to want to jump on this quick because this is kind of underground right now. A lot of people are not doing this using AI. So it's quite easy to get started with this right now. So let's jump into this tutorial and I will show you exactly how to make money with AI art and how you can make money online. Let's get started. All right, guys, so this is the screenshot from the start of the video, or the website here. And as you can see, this website has paid out over $69 million in contest earnings alone. And I'm going to show you how to get a piece of the pie with this method to make money online with AI. So I'm going to be showing you some other websites as well at the end of this video, so make sure you stay tuned for that. But this website here is called DesignCrowd.com, and we can actually go over to the website right here. This is called DesignCrowd. Now on this website, what happens is people want to get logo designs, business card designs, web design, and graphic designs. And what they do is they create these things called contests, competitions. And you can go ahead and submit your designs. And these are all of the categories here that you could potentially go and do this in. So to see the specific contest, you would sign up as a designer. And we can use AI to go ahead and do this. So what I've done is I've picked a specific category, which is called illustration designs. And we're going to use this for this specific tutorial. Now, what you do once you click on illustration design, you can scroll down and you can see some illustrations that other designers have done. But you can also see past contests or past competitions. So in this particular category alone, and you can see there's lots of categories, there's been 1,189 successful contests. Now these are not the contests that are going right now. You need to sign up as a designer and log in to do that, to see those. I'm not logged in right now. And as you can go down, you can see there are some very basic design contests that you could be a part of, and you could potentially win $110, $1,490, pounds, I think that is, 180 pounds, 180 pounds, 200 US dollars. And with AI now, it's actually quite easy to submit to these contests. So let me show you exactly how we can do this. And this first website is called DesignCrowd. And then you can also do this on a website called 99 Designs. And I have another website I'm going to show you later. And on 99 Designs, it works the exact same way. And as you can see here, people are paying $400 for this logo. These are logos here in this particular category. $600, $299, $299, 289 pounds. So there is money to be made. And what happens is people go, so let's take a look at it from the point of view of, let's say, hey, I want to actually create a contest and get stuff made for me. So what I would do, for example, on 99 Designs, if I wanted to get a logo designed, I would go and get a logo design and click get started, and it will be starting from $299. So what happens is essentially I would start that contest and people would submit their designs for me. And I've actually used this website before in the past. So let's jump in and I will show you exactly how you can submit content to specific contests, and you can actually do this all for free. So I'm going to get rid of 99 Designs real quick because we're not going to be using that right now. I just wanted to show you that as another website. So DesignCrowd and 99 Designs are very good. The next step is you want to go to a website called Canva.com and you want to go down to apps. When you're on apps, you want to click text to speech image. When you do that, it's going to ask you to use a template or use a new design. You want to go use a new design. It's going to give you all types of different designs that you could use. Just for this video, I went and did a custom design of 1,000 times 1,000 pixels. And I will show you that page in a second and how you can use this. And you can use things like Midjourney and things like that and other AI tools if you like. But what I did in this video is, for an example, I went, just to make this nice and easy, is I went and looked at this past egg contest where they were giving away $150. They had 14 designers, submitted 38 designs. So you can actually submit multiple designs as well. And click on this, and all they wanted was an egg with a landscape background. Now, I will say that these easy ones are not going to come up very often. Obviously, there are other ones that are a bit more complicated, but let's just go through and I'll show you exactly how easy it is to go and create an egg with a landscape background. So once you have created your Canva template, it's going to look like this, and you can actually put text in this box on the left. So I put in text and said a white egg with a landscape in the background. Then what you can do is you can go down here and you can click different types of styles that it will generate for you. Okay, so let's go retro anime, because I haven't done that one before, and I'm going to go create again. And the AI text to image generator is going to create 4 different images for me to potentially use that I can drag onto this here. Now, this one has not done very well for me. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a different one and go see all, and I'm going to do digital art, and I'm going to go create. You're going to have to do this a few times to get a good example. I do have one on the sheet right now that I was playing around with before. And as you can see, it's gone ahead and created me some designs, and I can simply drag them onto here. And I can spread it out. And I now have an egg, because they actually say they want a white egg. So that's why it's white. And I can go ahead and do another one, just for an example. We will do something like, let's do a concept art. We'll see. I don't know what that's going to turn out like, but we'll see. And you can put more information in to get a better type of image. But let's see what we got. That's actually not too bad. I tell you what, I do like this one down here. That looks pretty cool, right? That actually looks really, really good. So just for hypothetically, let's imagine this contest is still running. What I would then do is I would go to here, and I would go to share, and I would go to download. And I would download this as a PNG and click download. And now I'm going to have this image. And what I would do is, when I'm signed in as a designer, and this is a live contest, if it was a live contest, you could simply go ahead and submit your design and potentially win $150. Now, keep in mind, there was only 9 designers and 18 designs. So you can submit multiple designs. And that's what's great about this Canva here, is you can do, you saw that I just created 4 designs off a very basic text prompt, I might add, a white egg with a landscape in the background. Very basic prompt, and it actually turned up a very good image. So that is how you can go ahead and make money online with artificial intelligence on websites like DesignCrowd, by doing these online contests once you've signed up as a designer. You can also do it on 99 Designs, and you can also do it on a website called spoonflowers.com. And as you can see, it's called Design Challenges, and it shows you here what you could potentially win. Now, these guys have a tiered system here. So the first prize gets 200, second prize 100, and third prize 50 in Spoonflower credits. So those are the 3 websites that you can use to go ahead and make money online doing contests. Go and give this a crack. You never know, you could potentially start making money online making AI art. And this is a great side hustle that you could potentially start. Don't forget to subscribe, tap that notification bell, smash that like button, and I'll see you in the next video.